Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing your bank account bigger than it was the night before without doing anything. Sounds like a dream, right? But in 2026, this isn't science fiction. It's real for people using AI tools that quietly grow their money while they sleep. Meet Sarah. She is 32, works a 9 to 5 and has been trying to grow her savings for years. She is disciplined, puts aside $500 a month, reads financial blogs, follows every tip, but her growth has been slow. Inflation eats away at her returns, and by the end of the year, it feels like she's running in place. Then she discovered an AI-powered investment tool. This tool analyzes thousands of stocks, ETFs, and market trends in seconds, something no human could do in a lifetime. It spots patterns, predicts risks, and automatically adjusts her portfolio while she is sleeping, at work, or even on a vacation. Sarah started small, $1,000 at first, just to see if it worked. Within 3 months, she noticed something unusual. Balance grew faster than she expected, not massive overnight gains. This isn't gambling, but consistent small growth. $1,000 became $1,050, then $1,110, then $1,180. By the 6th month, a $1,000 initial investment had grown to nearly $1,300, a 30% increase without lifting a finger. Here is what makes this different. AI doesn't just follow rules, it learns from data, historical market movements, global economic trends, even social sentiment, and constantly adapts. Humans are limited by time and attention. AI never sleeps. It doesn't panic when the market dips, doesn't chase trends, and doesn't make impulsive decisions. A 2025 study by Fintech Research Institute found that portfolios managed by AI-assisted tools outperformed traditional human-managed portfolios by 12% on average over a year, even accounting for market volatility. 12% without trading yourself, without staying glued to financial news, without second-guessing every move. Now, imagine if Sarah had ignored AI and relied solely on manual investing. She would have been limited by her knowledge, time, and emotional biases. She could have made small gains or even lost money simply by reacting too slowly or following the wrong trends. AI isn't just about stocks anymore. In 2026, these tools are helping people manage cryptocurrency allocations, diversify real estate investment, and even micro-invest in international markets, all optimized in real time. Money literally grows while you sleep. Here is another story. Jason is 45 and runs his own small business. He's always been careful with money, but struggled to invest consistently because of time constraints. He tried traditional financial advisors, apps, and even robo-advisors, but most required daily inputs. Then he found an AI tool that did everything automatically. Over 6 months, his $5,000 investment grew by 18%, even though he hadn't touched it once. Jason says it feels like having a full-time financial team working for him 24/7, but without the costs. Why is AI outperforming humans? It analyzes data fast than any person could. It doesn't panic when markets drop. It constantly adapts to changes, and it can diversify across hundreds of assets to reduce risk better than most human-managed portfolios. But let's be realistic. AI is not magic. You can't just throw all your money in and expect guaranteed results. Markets fluctuate and risk is always present. The difference is that AI manages risk better than most individuals and removes human error from the process. A 2026 survey by Global Wealth Analytics found that 73% of retail investors who use AI-assisted investing tools reported higher returns than traditional DIY methods. That's almost 3 out of 4 people seeing measurable results while doing less work. Here is the key lesson. The future of wealth isn't just about knowledge or hard work. It's about leveraging technology to work smarter, not harder. The markets reward speed, analysis, and timing, since AI does better than any human. If you are still manually tracking spreadsheets, checking apps, and hesitating over trades, you are competing against systems that never sleep. For anyone frustrated by slow growth or worried about inflation, AI investing can be a game changer. Imagine starting 2027 with a portfolio that has quietly grown while you lived your life. Imagine putting $500 a month and waking up to consistent gains without stress, without constant monitoring. Here is a simple framework to get started safely. Start small. Test the AI tool with a fraction of your portfolio. Diversify across different asset classes. Monitor your portfolio weekly to see growth and adjustments, and combine AI with human insight when big events occur. The key takeaway: AI tools are leveling the playing field. Those who adopt them early are seeing measurable, consistent growth, while others continue grinding manually with slower results. This isn't just the future, it's the present of wealth creation. If you ever felt frustrated by slow returns or worried that your money isn't working hard enough, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. In the coming weeks, I'll show you which AI tools are worth watching in 2026. Tools that can quietly transform how you build wealth while you sleep.